Hey, I'm Sade. So I'm gonna show you how to do this cute lace wig. Well, I'm gonna show you how to lay this cute natural Yaki looking lace wig from Premier Lace Wigs. It's super easy to put on. So I'm working with a wig from Premier Lace Wigs. So this is a Yaki wig. So this is Indian Remy, 22 inches in the natural colors. Average size is 180% density wig, so it's pretty thick. It's a medium brown lace. It's pre-plucked, pre-bleached, and is a pre-added removable elastic band. So this wig is pretty much done. So this is a 360 wig, so this means that you can put it in a ponytail if you want. Is Yaki hair, so it's not like bone straight like this is like Brazilian Yaki. It's not bone straight like your Brazilian straight hair. It has like a little texture to it. So this is good if you don't like that shiny like bone, like, you know, straight look. If you like it to have a little bit of texture to it, call it like your mannequin hair, mannequin head hair. So to remove the lace band, you have some clips in there. So basically you can put this on glueless if you want. Well, you can put this on glueless. This is specifically how it was made to be a glueless wig. So it's already plucked. The knots are already bleached. So it's pretty much done. I like it. And it's a natural brown color. So if you want this color to be dark, you're going to have to dye it darker. And it's 22 inches straight. So I'm just going to install this how I usually install it. I think I'm going to do like a glueless method, since this is a glueless wig and it's already straight. So, and it's pretty much done. I love wigs that are already done. I think all wig companies should be like this and send your wig pre-plucked, pre-bleached, pre-done. It was already straight, but I kind of balled it up in the box. But cool. So this comes with some things. It comes with another elastic band. Cool, a little bra strap band. It comes with this thing. I think I might utilize this thing today. So this is that Velcro thing that you put on your head and your wig don't move. So you don't have to do like a glueless method per se, like, but your wig just won't slip back. There's a couple of videos on them on YouTube. Also come with a new cap, some information about the hair company, another elastic band, which is cool, and some flyaway hair tamer. I really like this. I like that these companies send this stuff too. So it's really cool. So I'm not going to put this cap down. I'm not going to glue it down or nothing like that. Just going to pull it back. One of those. Because this is a wig that you can just really just put on. You don't have to do too much too. So that lays a lot flatter. So this cap is extra light skin. So definitely gonna spray something over top of this cap because this is way too light. So I'm just gonna use some freeze spray to put this on. This stuff works just like the gel. and maybe even holds just as well. So that's on there. So I'm gonna just cut this lace off. Some scissors. I usually don't use scissors, but since I use the freeze spray, I don't want it to like lift up. So like I said, that freeze spray is for when you want to just put it on real quick. You don't have to do the most, you just put it on. I always cut the baby hair because I just don't like it to be extra long. So I'm gonna hot comb this back some because I think I'm gonna put it in a ponytail. You know the reason why I don't do that mold with the foam and all that is just because I'm a little impatient and I just don't feel like waiting for it to dry. So I just like to use this gel and just get it over with. So make sure you guys check out Premier Lace Wigs. I'm gonna leave some links in the description box. They have all kinds of wigs and it's really good quality and they're pretty much just done. So all you have to do is just put them on, maybe put an iron to it, and it's pretty much done. So make sure you check them out. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you leave a question or a comment. Thank you guys for watching.